Hey guys, DJ AB here with another quick video. Today we are going to troubleshoot this Yorkville LS701P. So basically, this thing stopped working, and upon testing, I found out the problem was the woofers, right? So I already began replacement. I pulled out both of the woofers, but as you can see right here, here's the original. So this is the original. Here's the part number 7273. I went to Yorkville's website. I mean, I guess because this unit's so old, right? As you can see, it cracked right there. I don't know if you can really see the crack, but there's a crack right there which separated the wire from the rest. That's what caused both of them to go bad. I mean, both of them totally dead. But here's what I got, the replacement right here. You see that? Delta 10A. So Eminence, you could put them side by side. They're like identical, and they have the same specs. So this is going to be our replacement. If you're going through the same problem, you have these that go bad and you can't find a replacement, because I tried online. I even looked at the replacement numbers they had. It was like impossible to find. But these were pretty affordable. I would say about $140 each. You may get a better deal, but we got two of these, and now we're gonna replace them. But yep, that's your solution. So guys, I got both of them nice, and I literally, there's 8 screws. But here's what I did, right? The new speaker, this area here is a little bit bigger, or because of the padding it has. So initially, these smaller screws went on the side. But what I did, I pull out these bigger ones. You see these longer ones? These longer ones, I literally just took 8 from the side. So I'm going to keep 8 of the longer ones, but then I'm going to put the smaller ones, right? Because if you really look at it, look at this board here. Look how skinny it is, right? So it's going to sit here, and it's going to use this, and it's going to be fine. It's going to be 4 long ones and 4 shorter ones. I mean, 8 shorter ones. I mean, no issues at all. But I even think that initially, who knows, maybe it had some different size. Somebody swapped them, but we really don't need screws that long on that skinny little board. Those should work fine. So we're gonna go ahead and connect the amp right now. Okay, everything has been screwed down, and phew, the screws were great. So it worked out really, really good. So we are all set with this. We're gonna go ahead and test it. Okay, so everything's back on. I already got it plugged, ready for the test. Gonna use my Rev 5. I also have this little speaker on the side, but we're gonna go ahead and try something. Okay, let's play. Actually, let's turn this baby on. As you can see, I'm keeping it very low. This thing is a monster, man. Seriously, it's a monster. So let's see. Okay, let's go up. Woo, you hear that? Okay, that's it. I'm not even gonna go anymore because it's too loud already. But ladies and gentlemen, we are all set. That's the best replacement that you could get. If you need any more questions to where I got it from, you know, let me know. I have all the scoops. Yep, this is it right there. Eminence Delta 10. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, guys, like, subscribe for more videos with contents to help a fellow DJ.